Yogastupa. Are you emotionally disturbed? Are you emotionally full? Are you unemotional? Please don't exhibit your emotions like this. Control your emotions. Hide your emotion. Don't make it so public. They are your very personal assets. We normally hear all these sentences, these words in our day to day life. Are we composed of emotions only? Even the great philosophers, writers, they have said that man is an emotional animal. Animal. Of course, we have been animal before, but still, it is said that we are emotional animal. And as far as my knowledge goes, the animals hardly exhibit one or two emotions, the emotion of fear or anger, violence. But a human being, he can exhibit number of emotions. In Indian psychological system, it is said there are 8 or 9 principal emotions, and there are some 76 emotions: karuna, mamta, sneh, a lot of. What does modern psychology has to say in emotion with regard to emotions? And they contribute a lot, of course. They have definitely benefited the human beings by bringing transformation in their mental emotional patterns by their own tricks and tools. Are we puppets in the hands of emotions? Or we can play with our own emotions? Or we can definitely witness, we can change, we can bring some transformations in our emotional patterns? Our emotions are even subject to the influence of moon cycles, weather, and so many other things. And from internal also. From internal also, the internal environment changes or something happens inside, something triggers, and we feel some different kind of emotions. We have to definitely look very deep inside the emotional system now. The art and science of emotions. Do our karma and sanskaras are responsible for our very and many different emotions that we exhibit, that we feel, that we undergo? The whole society, the whole world is going through many upheavals, as you know, these days. And there is a collective emotional pattern we can acknowledge these days. So, what is the source? What are the causes? What is the main reason behind all these emotions? And can we really do something about it? Can we really bring a positive change about it? Are the emotions only negative in nature? No, emotions are positive also. Can we remain emotionally stable? Can we remain emotionally stable and balanced all the time, or most of the time, if you can say? And even if there is a particular kind of emotion or bunch of emotions, should we be named and tagged with these emotions? Do we really have any control over these emotions? Can we really become the master of emotion? Yes. We are going to discuss all these secrets, facts, and characteristics about the emotions in the upcoming yogasana. So please join yogasana with me. We will discuss the psychological aspects as well as the spiritual aspect, and how we can definitely ameliorate the condition. We can upgrade our emotional system, and we can remain balanced in the emotional world. The word of our personal emotions, the word of our collective external emotions. We will look deep inside it. We will definitely discuss, acknowledge, and we will definitely discuss some tools, yogic tools, some psychological tools. We can remain positive, we can remain balanced, we can remain calm, we can remain happy, we can be called as master of emotions. So please join this very satsang, yogasang, yogastupa, yogastupa.